Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Thomas here again with the review. This time it's on the Yeezy Gap Hoodie. I finally got it from StockX. If you watched my old video, I was talking about FedEx taking forever. I literally had to go to the facility and pick it up. So I didn't open it. So I was going to show you guys what it looked like coming from StockX. Now, it doesn't come in a brown bag as I saw that everybody was talking about, and I seen some reviews on them. So with StockX, it comes in plastic. So I'll open it for you guys. This is going to be cool. All right. It's a black Yeezy Gap hoodie. So it comes in a plastic bag if you order it through StockX. As you see, it's open. It doesn't come in the I think if you order it straight from Gap, it comes in a brown bag. So from what I heard. So yeah, let me take it out. It's heavy too. This is an extra large. Now, my last Yeezy Gap hoodie was a blue one, and it was a large. Actually, on that note, the Yeezy Gap hoodie is that blue is kind of fading. I don't know if I washed it correctly, and it feel like it's shrinking. So I went with an extra large on this one. And this is a nice, beautiful black. Like, this is my first time seeing it. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. I like it. Like, the black is black. You guys can see that, right? It looks amazing. I like it. So when it's verified through StockX, it has the sticker, authentication sticker, and then there go the Yeezy logo on it. That's the only logo. And XL, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, XL. It's heavier. It feels heavier, I know that. And it's oh my goodness, this is a nice black hoodie, bro. I'm gonna have to rock this tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is nice. I like this. I'm gonna try it on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I try it on compared to my blue one. Here goes the Yeezy Black Gap hoodie. This thing is fire. I'm not even lying, bro. This is clean. Okay, this is way better than my large blue one. This is an extra large. This is a man. It's just, oh my goodness, it's black. Look at this black, bro. Look at this. Look. Now, okay, so now I'm a big guy. I'm kind of a big guy. People say I'm a big guy. So I got a lot more room here with the extra large. I'll show you guys. So my blue one goes up higher. I will even show you guys my blue one. So let me turn around. Yeah, sorry if you see, underwear. But yeah, look at this. This is amazing. Like, so much more room. It looks more cooler because I'm a kind of a bigger guy. The other one is good, but it looks like I'm wearing I went and shopped for it in the kids department, but I took some little kid's jacket, So yeah, tell me this don't look fire though. This jacket's busting. Bro, if I was you guys, I cop this. look at this black, bro. Like, come on. You can't tell me this don't look clean, bro. I mean, it don't have no logos. I know you ain't gonna pay like $100. I paid $100 for this. Actually, I got it pretty cheap because StockX screwed me so many times, so they gave me a discount code. So I got this for $100. Honestly, it's worth it for a hoodie. And if you like wearing hoodies and you don't have to worry about the material and it's stretching all, them bootleg sweaters that we used to buy back in the day when we were young. So come on, man, you gotta look. I mean, man, it's just comfortable. This is a nice jacket, man. I don't even want to hype you guys up to spend your money, but it's worth it, bro. Like, for real. Let me show you guys the blue one. Here go the blue one. Now, if you guys saw my other Yeezy Gap hoodie on video on this blue one, as you can see, it's a little smaller, and it has shrunk a little bit. Maybe I need to wash it correctly, but it's faded a little bit too. It's still comfortable, but it's too high. Like I said, it feels like I'm wearing I shopped in the kids department or something. A little bit. That's how they're supposed to fit. But I have a short torso, as you guys can see. I don't have a long torso. So if you have a long torso, honestly, I'd probably go ahead and get the extra large. It depends on your size though, and your weight. Because you don't want an extra large and you look like, I don't know, you look kind of goofy wearing something. You look like you're wearing somebody else's sweater. So I would say maybe large if you're like skinny or small or something like that. Large would be okay for you. But if you're like my size, I'm 6 foot. Like, yeah, borderline 6 foot. And yeah, I'm a pretty big guy, as everyone says. So I got extra large this time. From now on, I'm getting extra large, bro. Tell me this ain't fresh, though. You can't tell me this jacket ain't busted, though. All right, thanks, you guys. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Let me put this back real quick. I'm super hyped. Like, for real. This jacket is heat. Like, I was not expecting this black Yeezy hoodie to look like this. Like, it's so look at the material, yo. Look at this. Holy. Amazing.